Hello and welcome back to Tolaris TV. Hi, I'm Rick Bavec, and you can see us. We're out here in North Orlando right now. We're getting ready to finish up the pouring of a slab, one of our newest houses here at Tolaris. And you can see that our crew is out there pumping in this 3,000 pound PSI concrete. We'll have about 12 to 13 truckloads of concrete going in out here. And as you can see, they're pumping, pouring, pulling, and then you have this other gentleman over here that's just floating out the concrete, smoothing it out, bringing the cream to the top of this concrete, bringing the water to the top of it. And it's just a process. They'll keep working and working. And as you can see, the concrete is already starting to harden up. And if you were to put your hand over it, you can actually feel some heat coming out from it. So we'll be out here for the rest of the day, and once it starts starting to harden up a little bit, we'll start cutting in our expansion joints. We're going to let this sit for 7 days, and then we'll start stocking our block. So that's it for now from Tolaris TV. Thanks for watching.